Hello everybody, welcome to today's financial literacy lesson video. Today we're going to be diving into the world of estate planning. What's that, you ask? Estate planning is the process of arranging for the management and disposal of your estate during your life and after death. It's all about making sure your assets are handled according to your wishes, reducing taxes and legal fees, and taking care of your family when you're no longer around. So let's break it down. So the first one is the basic of wills. Well, a will is a legal document that specifies how how you want your property distributed, and who will take care of any minor children. Here are the components of a will. You have an executor, which is the person you choose to carry out the instructions in your will. You have beneficiaries, which are the people or organizations you want to receive your assets. You have guardians, individuals you name to take care of your minor children, and specific bequests. These are particular items or amounts of money you want to leave to a specific people or organization. So, for example, Mary creates a will naming her brother John as the executor. She leaves her house to her son, her car to her daughter, and a sum of money to a local charity. She also names her sister Jane as the guardian of her minor children. So, next you have the basic of trusts. Well, trust is a fiduciary arrangement that allows a third party or trustee to hold assets on behalf of the beneficiaries. Trusts can be set up in various ways and can specify exactly how and when the assets pass to the beneficiaries. So, for example, here are some types. The first type is revocable trust. These are the trusts that can be altered and terminated by the grantor during their lifetime. Then you have the irrevocable trust. These cannot be modified or terminated without the permission of the beneficiary. Then you have the living trust, which is created during the grantor's lifetime. And you have the testamentary trust, which is created according to the terms of a will and come into effect after the grantor's death. So, for example, Robert sets up a revocable living trust where he transfers his assets into the trust but maintains control over time during his lifetime. After his death, the assets in the trust will be distributed to his beneficiaries according to the terms he set out in the trust document. So, why is estate planning crucial? Well, you can avoid probate, which is the proper estate planning can help avoid the lengthy and costly debate process. You can reduce your taxes. You can provide for your children. You can designate guardians and ensure that they're cared of. You can ensure that your assets are managed according to your wishes. And you can prevent family disputes by having clear defined plans, which will help avoid these conflicts. So, for example, without a will or a trust, Jane's estate goes through probate, a process where the code supervises the distribution of her assets. This process can be time consuming and expensive. By having a will and trust, Jane can ensure her assets are distributed equally and according to her wishes, while also minimizing taxes and avoiding family disputes. So at the end, we'll be looking at the role of what are the necessary steps in creating your assets. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look at your assets. You want to list them down all. Then you want to determine your goals, how you want your assets to be distributed. Then you want to choose your executors and trustees. Then you want to draft your documents, work with an attorney to draft your will, and then you want to review and update your plan so you know that it reflects your current wishes and circumstances. So, what are the estate planning professionals? Well, there's an estate planning attorney which specializes in creating wills, trusts, and other planning documents. Then you have an advisor that will help you manage your assets and develop a plan to achieve your financial goals. Then you have a tax advisor, which will provide guidance on the tax implications of your estate plan and strategies to minimize taxes. Then you have a trustee that manages the assets in your trust according to your wishes. So, estate planning is an essential part of financial planning that ensures your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes. By understanding the basics of wills and trusts, recognizing the importance of early planning, and working with professionals, you can create a comprehensive estate plan that provides peace of mind and financial security for you and your loved ones. Remember to regularly review and update your plan to reflect changes in your life and ensure it remains current and effective. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to type in a comment. See you next time. Thank you.